green. I'm about to serve him, I know he a fiend. Certified like the Marines. Hey, I'm from that motherfucker bottom.
So 9 pepper sprays out, boy?
Bro, he was holding that shit. I can't lie. I think I put my shit on the floor when I passed him.
Drill over there trying to get some water.
Look. He was just sitting up.
That shit is drunk for real. Look. I lied. Nobody on conquer.
What you trying to go do? I'm trying to go spend some.
Nah, pepper spray them boys. He say gas got in my eye.
No, man, he said the police pepper sprayed.
They pepper sprayed me, bro.
I see your shit red. Let me see.
He fucked up. That's the one nigga.
No, you can see the pepper spray, man.
I thought it was.
Hey, I thought it was.
What's going on over here, boy?
Yo, he pepper sprayed Drill too. I'm not playing. I seen Drill dropping his eyes, so I knew it was real.
Yo, these niggas don't got pepper sprayed, yo.
Take 20 minutes. I've been pepper sprayed 9 times. Take 20 minutes. You got 19 to go.
Oh, shit. Oh, baby, don't drop the cup, bruh.
What, you got pepper spray you too?
And the water made it work.
Oh.
Hey, yo, y'all boy tighten up, yo. You got pepper spray too? Sheesh. That boy a fuck nigga. Hey man. Oh shit, yo. There's a gas station around the corner.
Hey, no, we gotta shut up out.
He say blow it.
Oh shit.
Hey, when they hit all of us, I was right behind Drill. I didn't know what he was doing. He was
Hey,
he was standing there.
hey, 40. No, look, I can't
But you was good when you was over there.
Hey, but I seen Drill right in the eye, so I'm like, bro, this shit ain't right. But my shit, burn. I'm like, hell no. Hey, yo, we can't just post that right here, bro. Yo, we post that right here, niggas going to jail, yo.
Now this shit hard, bro. You ain't get pepper spray, bitch. I see you wiping his eye.
Cut the cam. Should I cut the cam? Yo, that's the way 9 was. You can't go back there.
Hey, oh, that boy got pepper spray? How y'all get pepper spray? That shit burn, boy. That shit burn, boy.
that man don't got pepper spray and quarter flat. Yo, Mike. What happened, yo? Your shit burning? Niggas doing bad out here.
I was about to leave the bike for real.
Huh?
Mine's red.
Yeah, them bitches red as fuck.
Bruh, I'm trying to not blink. I'm trying to leave them bitches open.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I swear if I was about to leave the bike, bruh. Hell no. I couldn't see for shit. Bruh. How y'all gonna go like a race? It was in front of his shit. And that bro was just holding that shit like he came like he closed up. And he came up to him and he started spraying that. Get it? Bruh, he stand there, hella bikes coming through. And I'm looking at him, and bruh hit the clutch. I mean, bruh came up and he just started spraying it. He just started holding it. Hey, Dre, that milk make it better? Of course.
Yeah, bro, you gotta put that shit in your eye.
I don't want it to leak back into my eye again.
Nah, you.
Pepper spray is
Well, I want to pepper spray the fuck out of his bro.
Hey,
Wait.
bring the Celsius great.
Hey, what's your bike?
Great.
Yeah. Hey, I was about to say.
Yo, help him with the milk, bro. Pour the milk in his eye. Skeet, bro, pour the milk in his eye, so. Lay down on the ground.
Police what?
Yeah, bro, that's the remedy milk, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, Drill over there drowning.
Nah, pepper spray them boys. You getting right though. You had grabbed the drink for me?
Hey, Ski, I need some of that footage, bro.
Come on.
I swear to God, I was about to leave the bike. I couldn't see for shit.
But that
You know I was about to leave the bike,
that
right?
pepper spray don't play.
Like, fuck, bro. Yo, we cannot see for shit.
Bro, you gotta put this milk in your eye, I'm telling you. You playing with the milk, you sleeping on the milk.
Look at my eye.
Look at his asshole.
That boy heard science in his hunter pump up like, damn.
That boy gonna clip your ass now.
What? Go to sleep, nigga. Go to sleep.
Chill.
Take your ass.
Hey, you heard what she said? Make sure.
Why you want to mace me?
Them boys done got enough mace for the night. We don't need no more mace for the night.
Who? No, don't mace me.
Southside. Look, she vibing now.
I'm on the ground, baby. Yeah, I'm on the ground, baby. Baby, I'm on the ground, baby. Why you on the ground?
Molly P.